2. So we're going to look at how to use the column method and how to use our place value charts to help us solve this question. So if I wanted to complete a subtraction using a place value chart, we are going to do that first. My first step, I need to put my top number into the place value chart because that is my whole number, the number I am starting with that I am taking away from. So you take that first number and we put that in our place value chart. So how many ones do I have? I have 5 ones. I can draw those on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. How many tens do I have? I have 9 tens. So I'm going to draw those on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. How many hundreds do I have? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 hundreds. How many thousands? I'm starting with 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I've completed step 1. I have put my top number, my first number, into a place value chart. My next step now is to take away my number 1 column at a time. So we always start with the smallest end, the ones. We start with this column. Okay, so I started with 5 and I'm taking away 2. So what I'm going to do is put a nice cross, doesn't have to be too big, just nice and neat, through 2 of my 5. I've taken away 1, 2. Super. Next, I'm going to look at my tens column and it's asking me to take away 4 of those 9 tens. So I'm going to come to my tens column. I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, I'm going to go to my hundreds column. It's asking me to take away 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, I can move on to my last column, the thousands column, and it's asking me to take away 3. That is a 3,000, but we know in our place value chart, we don't have to take away 3,000 tiny little dots because in our 1,000 columns, 1 dot means 1,000. So if we're taking away 3,000, we are only taking away 1, 2, 3 dots because they are worth 1,000 each. Now, I can go back to the beginning and work out what my answer is. So how many dots do I have left in each column that do not have a cross through them? 1, 2, 3. Let's go to my tens column. How many dots do I have left with no crosses through? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And onto my hundreds column, nice and easy. How many dots with no crosses through? Just 1 in there. And in my thousands column, the same. I've got 1 dot left with no cross through. So I'm going to put a 1 there. That is telling me my answer is 1,153. And we can check that now using our column method. So 5 take away 2. You could do that in your head. You can use your fingers to help you if that helps. 5 take away 2. I am left with 3. 9 take away 4. 9 take away 4. Try and do that in our heads. That is going to be 5. Our next column, 7 take away 6. Should be able to do that in our heads. Remember, use your fingers if you need some help. 7 take away 6 is 1. And 4 take away 3, nice and easy, is 1. So our answer, we've checked, is definitely 1,153. Okay, I would like you to work through those questions on the next slide using this information to help you. So, don't just use the column method, don't just use the pictorial method using the place value chart. do a bit of both. Check your answers. Make sure you are getting all of those correct. And importantly, remember to send me some of your work afterwards and let me see how you did. Off you go.